In this video, we will be doing an unboxing, a sound test, and a review of the BOYA BY-M1 Lavalier microphone. Stay tuned. So I left the timestamps down below in the description in case you wish to skip to a particular section if you do so desire. So the main reason why I've decided to pick up this microphone was that the microphone on my recording device on my Razer Kraken Tournament Edition here was not recording very well. It had some kind of fuzzy noise, static interference sort of thing, and that led me to record gameplay such as this. Awesome! Let's try, guys. So yeah, I have decided to pick up this microphone because since I've realized that the problem was with the microphone on my headset, an external microphone should do the trick, and yeah, it did. Oh yes, and since it can be used for my future videos as well. So the BY-M1 microphone comes in this packaging, and here is the back of it. So let's open it up. So when we first open it, we'll have this pouch and some what it looks like to be some instruction manuals. So we actually do have a pouch containing all the microphone and accessories inside, along with a guarantee card and a user interface manual. And so we have the microphone that's inside, and here is the microphone itself. And what we have here is some accessories that come along and is suited for this microphone. We'll be doing an unpacking of that later, and we have, of course, the silica gel. So as you can see here, the quality is quite sturdy. It seems to be quite leathery. So we have this condenser unit right here, and as you can see, there is an on and off switch. As you can see here, you can turn it on and off depending on your usage and needs. So let's do the unpacking of the accessories right now. So we have a 3.5mm to 6.3mm adapter. And we have here what it seems to be like the battery. So it is the LR44 battery that is used to power the condenser unit. And the last accessory we have in this package is a foam windscreen. So this helps to block out any ambient noises, and a tie clip actually. So this is metal, and you are able to twist it open like this to reveal the battery component. So you can see there is a spring in there. I will try to get a closer shot of it later, so no worries. And this is the user manual for this product. It's quite detailed. It tells you when do you switch the condenser unit on and when do you switch it off. So this tells you how to replace the batteries. And let's zoom in on the condenser unit itself, as what I said earlier. So you can see here there is a plus and minus sign. So you want to insert the battery in the same direction as what is shown on the condenser unit itself. And as you can see, it fits pretty snugly inside. And let's screw that back on. Alright, let's head over to some sound tests with this product. But before that, let us do some other microphones for comparison. This is a sound test on my MacBook Pro 2018. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers, a pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. This is a sound test on my quad driver in-ear earphones. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. This is a sound test on my BOYA BY-M1 microphone. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. A pack of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Now, the audio pickup for the BOYA BY-M1 microphone is omnidirectional. That means no matter how much I turn the microphone, it is still able to pick up my voice 360 degrees around the microphone. Alright, so now I've got the microphone attached to myself, and what we will be doing now is that we will be doing a keyboard test. So the aims of this test is to test how well this microphone is able to block out external noises and background noises while I'm talking into the microphone. So what I'll be doing is that I'll be cracking into the keyboard like no one's business, and we're going to see how well this microphone performs. So let's hop right into it. So I will just begin typing into the keyboard right now. Alright, so you can probably hear how well this microphone is able to pick up my voice in spite of my keyboard clicks right here, and how well it's able to block out the ambient noises. So yeah, that's the background test, and I hope that gives you an indication of how well this device performs at blocking out external noises. Overall, I feel that this is a great microphone that comes with a great audio quality for an amazing price, and there is low noise with the foam windshield on. And the condenser is metal built and is quite sturdy. For me personally, I feel that the cord is extremely long, so this can be useful for certain people in certain situations, such as in the interview context, where you are able to use the microphone over an extended period and distance without any loss of audio quality, because the microphone will be attached to your lapel as you move along. Alright, to find out how you are able to use this microphone and monitor audio at the same time while using a device with a single headphone jack such as the MacBook Pro, I'll be releasing a video shortly about that and which piece of hardware does the job for me. So stay tuned, like and subscribe if you have learned something from this video and you have enjoyed my content. It really helps me out a lot. Take care, and I'll see you soon.